Hi viewers, welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have an Olympia Cremina machine. It was brought in because it was leaking from the Sightglass. And this machine's quite old, so we also did an overhaul on it, replacing gaskets and lubing up inside of here the group head and replacing the screen. And we replaced the seals also on the Sightglass and around here in the steam wand and up here at the boiler. Alright, so we'll test its functions. It's no longer leaking. Let's heat it up. Let's try some steam. There it is. Alright, let's take a peek at the rain. Unlike the Pavonis, this turns to the right, not the left. Alright, put a glass here. And here we go again. Pre-infuse for a moment. Alright. There we go. There it is. Perhaps the grind was a little fine on this. Make it a little firm. But as you can see, it does pull espresso and there are no leaks. And thank you for tuning in with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos.